before we start this video, I just want to share this coupon with you guys. Yeah, pretty much I found this coupon and it does work. I guess some people already been using it. So we got this 30% off coupon. Any item under $10, limit 5, valid through 2/23/20. So limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store only. Save up to 30% off on 5 items under $10 purchase. Cannot be used with other discounts. Coupons valid prior purchases. Non-transferable original coupon must be presented, valid through 2/23/20. And you need the coupon code 23908590. So yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. There is I have a few videos for 5 items you can choose with the 30% off coupon if you guys don't know what to get. I'll see if I can link them up above, or if not, then you can search them on YouTube. Just put 5 items to get with 30% off coupon. All right, and back to the video. Welcome back to another video. Today we got a 3-day sale from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals. Yeah, we got a 3-day sale. It says Friday, February 21st through Sunday, February 23rd. We got a 20% off coupon. It says valid through Sunday 23rd, or same thing. Just a standard 20% off coupon. And then we got instead of a free, remember we used to have a free coupon. Now we have a 69-cent coupons. So now we know that pretty much the items are going up in price, and Harbor Freight are not giving free items anymore. So that's going to be a more rare thing that they're going to be giving out free items. But they have items for 69 cents. So if you guys feel that that's something that you don't like, feel free to leave me a comment, or leave a comment down below. Hopefully somebody from Harbor Freight will watch this and see if they'll get that back to a free item what it was before. All right, we got microfiber cleaning cloths, pack of 4, 69 cents. Not a bad deal. Like I said, it's now we have to pay for it now. You got the Rapid Pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jack, $89.99. It's a great floor jack. You got a 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts. Usually on the parking lot sales, we see this cheaper, I believe. Check out my parking lot sale video. I just did. I'll see if I can link it up above. But yeah, I think this cart was cheaper than that. You got 72 by 80 moving blankets, $5.99. You got the battery charger and engine starter, $29.99. 2-ton capacity engine crane, $189.99. You got the 6.5 horsepower OHV horizontal shaft and gas engine, $99.99. You got the 18 by 12 movers dolly, $7.99. You got the 3-gallon 100 psi oil free air compressors, $39.99. This has always been $39.99. This is a good one. 6,500 watt starting gas powered generator for $49.99. There's another good one too. It doesn't require batteries, so all you do is just plug it in and you're ready to go. 1/2 inch heavy duty extreme impact torque wrench, $89.99. Got the 14-inch electric chainsaw, under $40. Full motion wall mount, same thing, under $40. 1250 lumen pop lantern, $4.99. These are great, guys, especially for DIYs. These are great. They do work. 4.5 cutoff wheels for metal, pack of 10, $5.99. 10 by 20 portable canopy, $99.99. And then you got the 301 piece. Yeah, we seen this cheaper, I believe, at the parking lot sales too, for like $154, something like that, or $150. You got the 20-ton shop press for $49.99. 2,500 electric winch with wireless remote, $49.99. You got the 10-inch sliding compact miter saw. I do used to have this one. It's a really nice saw. It worked pretty good. $94.99. It's a great starter saw. Got the 3/8 by 50 retractable air hose reel, $59.99. Get the 15 pound capacity vehicle dollies, $39.99. 4 by 36 belt sander, 6-inch sander, $64.99. Heavy duty hand truck. I do have one of these. It works pretty good. For a long time I have this. $29.99. And then you got the 10 amp 1 and 1/8 SDS variable speed. I do have one of these. It works pretty good. Do have a video of taking tile off with this. That works. These gloves are great, guys. Especially if you're doing like oil changes, brake jobs at your, DIY, or even if you're a shop, I would recommend the 7mm or the 9mm. $7.99 for a pack of 50. We got the 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed, $9.99. Heavy duty batteries, $1.99. Guys, stay away from these batteries. I had a few of them leak. I don't know if you guys heard that before from me, but yeah, they do leak. 18 volts, 3/8 cordless drill driver with the key chuck, $16.99. These are great just for drilling a hole here or there. That's it. Nothing major. No DIY projects. I would definitely go with Bauer at least, or Hercules. 50 feet electronic drain cleaner, $199.99. 4-piece anti-fatigue floor mat, $6.99. I gotta get myself one of these. Variable speed multi-tool, $24.99. 7 by 9 feet weather resistant tarp, $2.99. And then you got the 9-piece wobble extension, $9.99. Stay away from these too. They do come apart with time, and it's a mess. You start losing all these, and it just sucks. Wireless security alert system, $9.99. This is a great breaker. Oh, this works too, by the way. My cousin did buy this, and we installed this at his house, and it works pretty good. You got the half-inch drive, half-inch, 25-inch professional breaker bar, $14.99. This is a great item. I do have it. Works pretty good. It's a great price, a great item. 12-piece assorted length elastic cords, $3.99. And then you got the ultra lightweight or ultra light crush proof weather resistant lockable case, $21.99. You got the 17-piece. I personally don't like the central pneumatic stuff. I like to go with the other brand. I forgot what it's called. Fifine or something. It starts with an F. So yeah, I like to go with the other brand. But yeah, still, if you're in a hurry, it'll get the job done. But for quality wise, I would go with the blue brand, the blue tag brand. 20 bin parts storage case, $5.99. All right, guys, that's it. Quick video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.